dkdynamics presents smart car parking.
Hello friends, I'm coming back with a more interesting and very useful project. Again come back with for mechanical projects. My team developed many projects which is based on day-to-day problems. As you know friends, in metro cities or in the cities, the number of the vehicles, especially the number of the cars, increases day by day, so that the parking space is minimized. It's very drastic problem when you are going through the car to some market which is very congested, an old market. There is no place for parking your car or your vehicle. The same problem is with the new head offices or the companies. The company established in the metro cities facing the same problem. The company have an unlimited area in which only the 3 or 4 cars are parked. What will for the other remaining cars of the employees? The employees are hesitate to take the car to their office because there is no parking space, and the parking space is sufficiently not available for all the cars. This is a great problem of the metro cities. I am focused on this problem. My many students are mail me to overcome this problem. Sir, give me some idea, how can you overcome this problem? So my team working on this idea, and I think the best idea for the parking of the car is the rotary parking, and I am giving the name is called the smart parking. It's working on a much simpler principles and very less number of the spare components, and the operation is very simple. Anybody come and operate this system easily. And now I am demonstrate how to make this and operate this rotary system. The rotary system is made up of the 4 gears. This is called the chain gears, which chain gears are placed in the top shaft and the power shaft. Power shaft is connected to the gear motor. The gear motor provides the torque to rotate the gears, and I am taking the 1 meter long link chains. The 2 link chains. With 2 link chains are connected by the spur bar, and these spur bars are holding the cradles. Here we are using the 6 cradle in the prototype model. This is a simple and the small prototype model. You can make a huge prototype model. And some commercial models, in the space of the 3 cars, we are parking 64 cars. Friends, now I am demonstrate how this rotary parking works. It is really smart, so I am giving the name smart parking. You can further modify with using some controlling device which control the cradles. Here we use the 6 cradles. So now I am demonstrate how it works. When suppose your friend come with your car and they place the car in the cradle number 1. This is the cradle number 1, and get the number 1. And now your next friend come with the car and place the car in the cradle number 2. And your next friend come with this red car and place in the cradle number 3. And now your boss car is a much bigger car, and place your boss car in cradle number 4. And this is your car and placed on the 5th. And this is the last car. I think this is your another employee's car, and placed on the 6th cradle. And in this way the 6 cars are placed in this rotary parking. And when your office is closed, you are coming to the parking again and just push the switch and you get your cars again. In this way the cars are placed and your cars are protected from all the weather conditions. So we are enclosed this whole system to protect your car from the dust and the sunlight and the rainy seasons. I hope, friends, you are enjoying this rotary parking a lot and make for your mechanical project. It is a problem solving project which appreciated world over, and many companies making this type of the systems to resolve the parking space problem. For any query, please mail me or log on to dkdynamics.com, and I hope you are making this project and I'm solve your problems. I'm coming back with more interesting videos, so please share and subscribe my channel for promoting me and give me the inspiration to make more interesting videos. Thank you for watching me.